So my friends at Luxurious Perfume sent me a beautiful couples collection that I want to share with you today. It's a couples collection from Lattafa, and it's called His and Her Confession. Beautiful bottles, and the notes inside is even better. So I'm going to start off with His Confession. This is a stunning bottle. Just want to show you the top, and there's the bottom. So nice. And the notes that it opens up with is cinnamon, lavender, and mandarin. And it just smells so nice. When I smell this fragrance, you immediately imagine a gentleman walking down the passage with a suit, shiny black shoes, and this is what it smells like. So very, very nice. It tones down into a beautiful cedar, amber, and vanilla fragrance, and this is a very sophisticated fragrance for a gentleman. Now the ladies, just want to show you what the ladies looks like. Her Confession, she starts off with a mystical cinnamon and jasmine top notes, and it ends with musk, tonka, and vanilla. Now the vanilla is very potent and beautiful. And just next to the gentleman walking down the passage is this lovely lady, beautiful hair, beautiful makeup, beautiful dress, walking past you, and you just picked up these two beautiful fragrances. This is His and Her Confession. And it's just lovely. This is a beautiful idea for date nights or anniversary nights. So these are beautiful bottles with a lovely, sophisticated smell to them. You can get these at Luxurious Perfumes. I will put the details and pricing on you as well. And I would suggest you get these. They are so beautiful.